Hi, in this video we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017th edition Quant Problem Solving question number 171. Let's have a look at this question. Look at this question. The question says an object thrown directly upward, okay, is at a height of h feet after t seconds, where h is equal to minus 16 times t minus 3 the whole square plus 150. At what height in feet is the object 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum height? Okay, so they have given us a function where height h is equal to in t seconds is minus 16 times t minus 3d whole square plus 150. Okay, so this is what your function is. Okay, so that will give you the height after 3 seconds which directly thrown upwards. The question is at what height in feet is the object 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum height. After 2 seconds, what would be, right? After 2 seconds, it reaches its maximum height. First, we have to figure out when this will reach its maximum height, right? At what time this will reach its maximum height. So, maximum height means, see here we have 150 plus a negative number. 150 plus 16 times a negative number, because t minus 3, irrespective of what value you put for t, right? Whether you put a 1000 or 10,000, whatever you put, since it is a square, this is always going to give you a negative number. So positive into a negative, this is, right? So positive into a negative will be negative. Negative plus positive is what? So we have to make sure that this part is as least as possible to get h value as maximum as possible. If this has to be as least as possible means we can try x as, t as minus 1, okay, minus or plus or minus 1, something of that sort. But remember that when t is equal to 3, right, that's a root here, right, that's what the critical point. If t is equal to 3, this becomes 0. T minus 3 the whole square, the root is t value is 3. So that means here this will become 0. If this becomes 0, 0 plus positive number would be the greatest value when compared to negative number plus a positive number. Positive number plus a negative will be a further lesser value than, right, you add with 0, right? So that means t is equal to 3. At t is equal to 3, it reaches its maximum height. But the question says in what height in feet is the object 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum height. 2 seconds after means it has to be t is equal to 5. What is its maximum height? So substitute t is equal to 5 here and arrive at an answer. That's all. It's a simple function question. So let's quickly complete that. Minus 16 plus 5 minus 3 the whole square will get you 2 square, right? So 2 square plus 150, right? So that means 16 into 4 is minus 84, right? 16 into 4 is, sorry, minus 64, right? So this will give you minus 64 plus 150. So that's nothing but it should end with a 6, right? So the only answer choice which ends with a 6 and a 2-digit number is answer choice B. Eliminate answer choice A as well. So 86. Otherwise 150 minus 64 is of course 86, right? So 50, if you remove 100, another 14 you have to remove from the 100, which is nothing but 86. Answer has to be here B, 86. So it's a pretty simple function question. Remember that in GMAT function questions are nothing but input and the output concept. Either they will give you the output, they will define a function, they will give you the output, or they will ask you to find the, given a function, find the input value. Here they have asked you to find the input value after it reaches its maximum height. So maximum height is reached at when t is equal to 3, that is this becomes 0. Then after 2 seconds means t value is 5. So that's it. Then the answer has to be here 86. Height has to be 86 at t is equal to 5. Hope this is clear. Thank you.